With average camera, you can take low noise photographs with your iPhone. It automatically takes multiple photos and calculates the average photo out of these. By doing that, any kind of random noise gets cancelled out. The more pictures are taking, the more random noise will be attenuated. Let's compare the capability of average camera with that of iPhone's built-in camera app within an ordinary illuminated room. Let's take a photo with the camera app. And now let's take one with average camera with the setup average out of 8 pictures and a 7 seconds timer. The timer gives you the chance to lean your iPhone against something before the app starts to take the photos. That's mandatory because the resulting long exposure time will lead to heavily blurry results if done handheld. As you can see, the photo taken by iPhone's built-in camera app is pretty noisy. However, the photo taken by average camera is very clean, so average camera can already be useful in ordinary illuminated rooms. But now let's take it to the extreme. This room is now very darkly lightened. To achieve good results in this room, we have to choose a much larger amount of photographs to be averaged out. Let's choose 64. Taking that many pictures takes some time. The estimated remaining time can be read out here. The result is still pretty dark, but average camera lets you increase the exposure afterwards with this slider. By the way, doing this operation with an average camera will lead to a much higher quality than first saving the picture and then brighten it in other apps, because it will be done before any JPEG compression. It will fully utilize average camera's internal 16-bit per channel processing of its photograph and also compensate for iPhone's camera's non-linear transfer function. Let's take a picture with iPhone's camera app too. As you can see, the photo taken with iPhone's built-in camera app is almost unusable. It's very noisy and dark. Average camera result is much better. But as you can see, there is still some noise. But it looks different as the noise we've seen before. It seems to follow some pattern. Well, this noise isn't random noise, but it's so-called banding noise. This kind of noise won't vanish no matter how many pictures you will use for calculating an average. This noise is a fixed property of iPhone's camera. It came into life while the camera was manufacturing, and it will be there forever. However, it's additive, and so, if you know what the noise is like, we can just subtract it from the picture. Luckily, average camera is capable of doing this. And here's how. First, we have to show average camera what the noise looks like. For this purpose, we take just for one single time an average picture of a wide area. We do this by setting the picture number parameter to its maximum to achieve the best possible result, and then let it take these pictures with a piece of white paper put over the camera. Then we will tell average camera to use this picture as the noise fingerprint. From now on, we can remove the banding noise from any picture we take by just selecting Remove Banding Noise. And as you can see, the result with applied banding noise removal doesn't show this kind of noise anymore. Thank you.